Stupid birds.
I have to admit, I'm a hard-working person.
I'd say we got those 2 runs well done. So, good morning. It is Friday. We kept this water going on this east ditch all night. We changed it at 8:30 off those short runs behind Brody's house onto the long run that has that really dry corner. And we thought, okay, it'll go 4 hours. Should have changed it at 2.5. I got there at about 12:15 and the water was clear over to the stubble field. Great. And then, so I hurried and changed it, text Rick, and he got up there and helped me change it. And we're like, all right, well, we'll just let this one go 3 hours, and then we'll take it on the corn on the cement ditch, because we didn't want to mess with those other 2 runs. Wanted to try and let that water soak away a little bit. Yeah, you should only let the next run go 2 hours, because it ponded the hell out of that bottom corner. But it ain't gonna hurt that corner because it's extremely dry. So we've struggled all year getting that corner soaked up, and now that it's the end of the year and end of August, we finally get it soaked up real good. But I'm up here by my mom's. We got new hay planted up here in this little field by hers, and we're watering it, and it's actually watering a little bit better than I thought it was going to. There's still a couple of high spots the lamplane didn't get out, but I'll go walk out there and show you. Yeah, this is actually running a lot better than I thought it would. South side of the run's running a little bit faster, but you can still see a good sized high spot right there. Jeremy tried lamplaning it. It looks like he knocked this down really good right here, but he should have went back just a little bit more. But this has only been on here for about 45 minutes, and hell, it's pushing through pretty good. But we don't want to really shovel any trenches or a little mound right here circling around. But yeah, like I was saying, you don't really want to dig many trenches or build any little dikes with your shovel, because the hayseed's only about a 1/2 inch to 1 inch under the ground. So wherever you shovel, you wouldn't have any hay growing. I think Uncle Rick said he goes about 1 inch in, just because where we flood irrigate it, we water it up. We don't want the seed washing away. I think we'll let this run another 1/2 hour and see what it looks like. Also got the water going on the middle ditch on Grandpa's corn. Right here, the other end of that field. Trying to get it watered. The spider mites are just decimating it. It looks pretty bad in a few spots. Even though we sprayed it, they still got to it pretty good. I guess we probably should have paid to have this field leveled, but it wasn't in the budget this year. There's not a whole lot in the budget this year. All right, well, I'm gonna let this run for a little bit. I think Jeremy's gonna start cutting some safflower this afternoon. He got the one field down on Zito's watered or cut. He's got it disced. He's gonna put hay in it because he's gonna tear the big field on Hups out, put corn there. It's gonna be a busy weekend, so let's get to it.
We're watering stubble. We're moving these pipes to the next run because this one's pretty much done. You struggling?
A little bit. We got a crack in it somewhere. Find it. I can hear it sucking air.
Let's see. Is that it?
I don't think that was it.
Can I get down now?
Yeah, you can hop down now. Thanks, bub. So, where does this bolt go? Does it go through?
Yeah, that hole.
That hole there?
Yep.
Yeah, she kind of fell apart, didn't she? Hmm. I don't know if you'd want them. You got your spring. Quit it.
I don't think this bale's quite done yet.
No more? I know we were getting low on them. Sure glad we figured this out.
Me too.
After we that stubby one was in there, I thought that wasn't a stubby one. Something's up with that.
The least they could have done was make it easy to get in here for a fat guy.
So we may have to loosen these bolts
Twist them
to
just a
try to
little
line
bit.
it up. But unless we got to put that pin back in first.
So can we tighten the springs and everything up, or?
Well, after we get that pin in, we'll need to move it one way or the other.
Get the hammer. pliers to split that.
Yeah, where did they go?
It's a good question. I don't know where they went.
Might have took-
Ethan, did you take the pliers? Oh, we're gonna test it. Well, nothing broke.
I don't know. Let's tighten the half a turn.
Okay. Boy, we timed that just right. Last little bit. Safflower's done. Boy, they need to replace that power pole. Well, you know what that means. You gotta change that beast over to corn. Alright guys, that's a wrap on our day. We just started the water back here on this field of Brody's, or by Brody's. We got 2 runs left. Uncle Rick's gonna watch it. He's got it going on the corn by his house also. I guess we're gonna go home and go to the fair for a little bit. Somebody wants to go ride some rides. Oh, jeez. So we'll call it a day. I don't think I'm gonna take the camera with me tonight, but holy crap, it is a hot, muggy mess right now. Whew, this old fat man's sweating pretty good, but yeah, we're gonna call it a day. I don't think we have any water tomorrow, so it might be tractor work tomorrow. We'll see. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.